guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and here's a little tutorial. And if you guys have noticed, I haven't been posting in a great while, and here I'm gonna do a little tutorial how to make a little thingy thing. It's a little moving thing. I don't know how to call it, but let's just call it moving thingy. Yeah, cause I don't have any names. I definitely didn't. I shout out to the guy that I don't know who is it, but I got the idea from another guy. Shout out to who? I don't know. It was a guy that I wanted to do a tutorial how to make a little plane because I wanted to add it in our thing, but I did not understand a single crap this guy said. But I just found this thing. So guys, if you're telling your friends that, look, this guy knows everything. I don't know everything because I have a small head, so don't say that because I don't want to copyright. And that's why I just admit it that I did not come up with this idea. Whoever the guy made this idea, so cool. And you can make this thing in survival, and it can be very cool. You can literally make like fun stuff with it. And this the little contract. Oh no! I'm begging you, don't you dare! I remember I was making a farm, but it definitely failed. Did not go my way, and I'm just gonna try to kill it. Hopefully he doesn't one-shot me. Hopefully, please don't kill me. I'm begging you. Nope, I'm survival. Oh, he dropped his axe. Yeah, and this is the little contraption you can make. You can make a boat and everything. So you could be just like do fun stuff with it. Like you'll just come up to your friend and say, look at my broom broom. Like a fun thing. And the last thing, if I play this one, wait. Yeah, it starts working. And there it goes, it stole my block. Let me get in. Yeah, and that's how it works. I think you can use it to just take away the lava and like the nether. Let me in! I'm gonna die! Wait, how do I stop? Let me just get. I can't even get up. Yeah, and if you're too lazy to get to the other side, I recommend you doing this if you're lazy like me. Do this and you can just make a whole river just disappear like right here. And you can use this little contraption in the nether and just delete the thing. And look how it deleted the water. I don't know how to say the correct word because I don't speak English that well. And that's why. And there's a little tutorial, just takes like 50 seconds or less, so you can make this with your friends. I don't know what you can make with it, but it's fun. So bye guys.